all familiar with the plate method, right? 1/2 of the plate non-starchy veggies, 1/4 protein, 1/4 starch, and a bit of healthy fats. But what does this look like when you have a recipe containing all of these? How do you figure out whether you need to add more veggies to hit that half plate non-starchy veggies? First, we're going to put our math hats on. Let's take, for example, HSN's Greek chicken and veggies recipe. This recipe includes 3 carrots and 1 15-ounce can of artichoke hearts for non-starchy vegetables. The recipe serves 5. There are about 2 carrots in 1 cup. You can easily look this up online. And a 15-ounce can is about 1.5 cups. So all in all, there are about 3 cups of vegetables in the recipe that serves 5. Should you add more vegetables to the meal? Yes. We want about 2 cups of veggies per adult, so I'd recommend adding a nice abundant side salad to the meal, or roast some delicious broccoli to complement the recipe. Now, what if a recipe includes little to no vegetables, but you want to make it a one-pot meal? Again, just look at how many cups of non-starchy veggies are included per serving, and if less than 2 cups per person, figure out how many more cups you'll need to add in. Let's take, for example, HSN's white bean chicken chili, a favorite of many of my clients. This recipe includes about 3 cups of non-starchy veggies for 8 servings. If you didn't want to add veggies on the side, you could add a bag of frozen mixed veggies to the crock pot about 3/4 of the way through the cooking time and end up with a full plate method meal. Now, it's your turn. Take a look at a couple of your favorite recipes and assess whether they include a full 2 cups of non-starchy veggies per serving. If not, get creative by adding extra veggies on the side or cook them into the recipe to add valuable volume and nutrients.